remedies for obesity and weight loss. Obesity, which is excessive accumulation of fat in the body, is determined by measuring a person's body mass index, which is known as BMI. Generally, a BMI between 18.5 and 25 is considered desirable. If your BMI is 30 or more, you are considered obese. This problem is mostly attributed to poor lifestyle choices, such as eating processed foods high in fat, oversized food portion, overeating, excessive drinking, lack of physical activity, lack of sleep, and other similar habits.
Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Number 1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is one of the best home remedies for fighting obesity. It helps improve digestion and aids in detoxification. Mix 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder in 1 glass of water. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Do this daily for at least 3 months. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar is another popular home remedy to reduce excess weight. Though the actual weight loss benefits of it are still unknown, preliminary research has shown that it can help protect against obesity. It helps break down fat and hence prevents the accumulation of body fat. Mix 2 teaspoons of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Drink it daily in the morning and preferably before meals. You can also drink a glass of water mixed with 1 teaspoon each of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. Number 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is useful in treating obesity because it stimulates the metabolism, increases energy consumption, and mobilizes unused fat in the body. It contains natural collagen proteins that make the body work harder in order to absorb the proteins. In addition, it helps remove toxins from the digestive system and colon. Take 2 fresh aloe vera leaves, peel them and scoop out the pulp. Put it in a blender along with 1 cup of citrus juice, such as orange juice or grapefruit juice, or simply water. Blend it for 2 to 3 minutes. Drink this daily for at least a month. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea is another popular natural remedy to promote weight loss. A study at Penn State revealed that epigallocatechin 3 gallate, which is known as EGCG, a compound found in green tea, helps slow down weight gain by limiting fat absorption and increasing the body's ability to use fat. Furthermore, green tea is packed with nutrients such as vitamin C, zinc, selenium, chromium, and other trace minerals. Drink about 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily to combat obesity. You can also combine it with ginger tea. Number 5. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper helps control obesity and aids in weight loss. It contains capsaicin that stimulates your body to burn fat and increase energy expenditure. In addition, it stimulates digestion and suppresses excess appetite caused by malabsorption of nutrients in the body. Make cayenne pepper tea by pouring a glass of hot water over a cayenne pepper. Squeeze the juice from half a melon in it. Drink this tea regularly at least for a month. Mix 2 tablespoons each of lemon juice and maple syrup in 10 ounces of water. Stir in a dish of cayenne pepper and drink it, and other spices such as ginger, black pepper, and mustard seeds in your meal preparations.